Hello guys, today we will play Roblox games, that is high school life. In this video we will do a school tour and we will attend class in one day. To play, just click play here. And we are entering the school. This is the first room. This is the cafeteria where the student lunch, and this is the main office. This is the detention room where the bad student got punished. And this is the principal office. We can't get into the principal office. Now this is a stair where you can go down to auditorium and to exit, or we can get to upstairs. In here there are library. And this is the nurse where the sick student got treated. Oh, we have a class. We go to theater. We can perform here, or we can just watch the performance. After a while, we can get out the class, the theater, and we will continue our school tour. This is the nurse. This is the treatment room where the student rest. This is the examination room. And this is where the doctor sits. We are going to the next room. This is computer classroom. There are many computers in the table. And now we go to sprinting class. We go to the field. And the class will begin. We just sprint here to finish line, and there we have finished the class. We can go to the school again to continue our tour. This is the science classroom. This is the math classroom. And now it's time to lunch. We go to the cafeteria and we pick our food. This is the choice. We can buy burger and soda. After we finish the meal, we go to the next class, that is community service. In this community service class, we are start janitor job. The task is to pick up litter around school. After we pick up trash, we got money too. And after a while, the class is finished, and this is our daily attendance for the school. So that is a day in Roblox high school life. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.